Good day to my future employer. I am Alma, 40 Tamse, 32 years of age, a single mother with 3 daughters. I am from Cebu City, but I am currently living now in Santa Rosa, Laguna. I am a college nursing undergrad, and I am currently in Philippines now, taking care of my 3-year-old baby. I've been working overseas before, like Malaysia and Hong Kong. I've been in Malaysia working as a domestic helper and the nanny for 3 years and 6 months. My work duties there is to take care of a 6-month-old baby, changing diaper, feed milk, give some activities like showing different colors, shapes, and etc. If I have time, I do housework at the same time. I also been in Hong Kong working as a domestic helper for 2 years. My work duties there is to keep the house clean and tidy. I also do basic cooking like Chinese foods. To my future employer, Ma'am and Sir, if you will give me a chance to work with you, I can assure you that I have a high patient, trustworthy, and dedicated to my work. If you will give me a chance to take care of your kids also, I can assure you that I can treat them as my own as well. Thank you, Madam and Sir. God bless.